Assalamualaikum. Hello, good day. I would talk about myself. My name is Tihan. My nickname is Tihan. I am 7 years old. I read in class 1. My school name is National Ideal English Version School. I live in South Bonasri for 3 years. There are 4 members in my family. They are my father, mother, brother and me. My father is a banker, my mother is a homemaker, my brother is a baby. I am a student. My favorite color is red or green. My favorite person is mother. My favorite food is apple. I want to be a teacher. Allah Hafiz.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটেড 3, ব্লক কে।